part of a marketing agency, then you already know how important it is to generate leads for any businesses to grow. And one of the important factors of a successful lead generation is a well-designed landing page. Well, today I'm here to show you a funnel template that is designed to help you create a lead generation funnel for you or your client in just a few clicks. Hey everyone, this is Sadia from WPFunnels, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a quick showcase of our latest funnel template, the marketing agency lead funnel. This template is beautifully built so that you can use it on the go, get it up and running in no time. All you have to do is change the copy and a few images. As you just saw, the landing page and the thank you page are in place for you to edit and simply launch the funnel. Now let's see how you can set it up real quick. For that, let's go to the WPFunnels dashboard. Now to create a new funnel, click on this option. Here you will see all the templates for different niches. As we are creating a lead funnel for a marketing agency, click on the lead gen templates. Now here, select the template that is specifically designed for marketing agency. If you go to the steps, you'll see there are two steps, landing and the thank you. That's all you need for collecting leads, right? Now let's just import it. And it will take you to the canvas where you can plan your funnel visually. Now let me preview the landing page first. Here you see the title, an opt-in form. Here is the content, some testimonials, brands, a question answer section, and at the bottom you have the opt-in form again. You can absolutely customize every single thing based on your needs. Now let's see how you can design the pages easily. WPFunnels have support for 4 page builders: Elementor, Gutenberg, Divi, and Oxygen Builder. Here I am using Elementor. You can use the one you prefer. Alright? Now if you click on the landing page edit option, it will take you to this page. Here you can change the heading, images, logos, basically everything. You can even change the opt-in form as well. This opt-in form is a widget of WPFunnels, so you don't need to use any form builder. So these are the opt-in form edit options you get. First, you have the form layout where you can change the opt-in form type. Here you can change the form style. There are some form fields as well, which you can include as per your need. This is the submit button editing option. And lastly, you have the action after submission. This is basically people will see after submitting the form. Alright? Now let me preview the thank you page. So here you see an update about the lead magnet, and here is a section of a relevant offer that your leads might be interested in. With this button, you can redirect them to any page you want. Alright? Now let's go to the thank you editing page. So as you can see, this is basically the same process you followed for the landing page. So that's easily you can collect leads with WPFunnels. Now one of the most important thing is once you collect the leads, you need to nurture them for the ultimate conversion. So when you collect the leads, you need to add them to your email list and send emails. And the great news is WPFunnels has the support for many CRM integrations. So you can choose your preferable CRM to integrate with WPFunnels. But the best part is we have another email automation tool, MailMean, where you can directly set up your email automation step here and plan your funnel better. So the people who are submitting the opt-in form in the landing can be added to the list easily. So if you click on the edit option, you can set the condition over here. If opt-in is submitted, then it will be added to specific leads. Then you can send them automated emails to nurture them and eventually make them into paying customers. So what are you waiting for? Use this funnel template and thrive your business with consistent leads. I have given the link to WPFunnels and MailMeet in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. That's it for today. See you in the next video.